Okay, so a little bit of differential equations. We have a differential equation. We want to verify its solution. What are we going to do? How do we verify that this is a legit solution? What we do is we're going to use this solution to recreate this differential equation and show that it's true, right? Like this needs to be equal to this, and we'll use this to show it all. So why don't we start by finding y prime, because y prime is in here. It'll be 1/2, 1 plus x squared. 1/2 minus 1 is -1/2. Take it with respect to x, it's going to be 2x. We have x over 1 plus x squared, square rooted. Okay, so if we put that into here, we could say dE. What does it turn into? It turns into 1 plus x squared. 1 plus x squared. Then we have x square root 1 plus x squared. And that is equal to x 1 plus xy. So I swapped this into the y. I took the derivative of this and swapped it into the equation. So if this is true, it verifies that it's a solution. If not, then it says that this is not a solution. Then they lied to us. But it should be a solution, right? Kind of a weird shape here I drew. Times this on the other side, right? 1x squared. So x, if we times on the other side, is equal to x 1 plus x squared. Square root times the square root gets rid of the square root. X times x, 1 plus x squared, 1 plus x squared. These are exactly the same thing. X is equal to x, right? And if you wanted to, you could go x minus x is equal to 0, which is equal to 0, which we 100% know. It's a solution. There we go.
Consider subscribing and liking if you found this video interesting or helpful. Leave a comment. Just leave any comment, just so I could, get this video pushed up the algorithm.